Dear friends, nature creates beauty in the most unexpected ways. Today we are exploring how simple, weathered pieces of driftwood can become stunning works of art. Shaped by water, time, and the elements, driftwood carries a story in every curve and texture. With a little imagination, these natural forms can be transformed into art that feels calm, organic, and timeless. Let's begin this journey from driftwood to art. Finding beauty in the driftwood. Driftwood is a wood that has traveled through rivers, oceans, and shores. Along the way, it becomes smooth, textured, and uniquely shaped. No two pieces are ever the same. Some are twisted and dramatic, while others are soft and flowing. This natural character is what makes driftwood perfect for artistic creations. Second is simple driftwood art ideas, which is one of the most beautiful things about driftwood, its simplicity. A single piece of driftwood can become a wall sculpture, a tabletop accent, or a peaceful centerpiece. Smaller pieces can combine to create abstract shapes, frames, or hanging art. Third one is handmade creations and texture. The texture of driftwood is a part of its magic. Soft edges, natural cracks, and weathered surfaces add depth and character. Artists often leave the wood unvarnished or lightly polished. Allowing its raw beauty to shine. Sometimes driftwood is paired with simple material like stone, rope, or metal to enhance its natural appeal without overpowering it. Last one is driftwood in home. Driftwood art fits beautifully into both indoor and outdoor spaces. Inside the home, it adds warmth and calming presence. In gardens, it blends naturally with plants, stones, and greenery. Driftwood sculptures, planters, or decorative accents create an organic flow between nature and design. At the end, we can say driftwood reminds us the beauty doesn't need to perfect. Or polished. Sometimes the most stunning art is shaped by time, patience, and nature itself. If this journey from driftwood art inspired you, take a moment to look art. At nature differently. You never know what masterpiece might be waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching. Let nature inspire your creativity.